Yo, tech lovers, ready to have your mind blown? Because today we're diving into some of the coolest, most useful tools you've ever seen. So don't blink, don't scroll, and definitely don't miss this, because the future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's waiting in your shopping cart. Metmo Grip. Not just a wrench, but a work of industrial art with a 21st century twist. This all-purpose wrench has become such a hit, you might have to wait months just to get your hands on one. And it's easy to see why. Described by its creators as an icon of industry, reimagined, the Metmo Grip blends vintage design with modern-day functionality. It weighs in at just 10.6 ounces and measures 7.1 by 2.4 by 0.5 inches, making it compact and portable. But don't be fooled by the size. This isn't just a tool, it's a multi-tool powerhouse. It's designed to grip fasteners ranging from 0.02 to 0.9 inches in diameter. And if that wasn't enough, it also doubles as a knife, hammer, bottle opener, and even a bit holder. Yes, seriously, whether you're fixing up a bicycle, cracking open a cold one, or tightening bolts on a weekend project, the Metmo Grip handles it all with style and precision. And here's a surprising twist. It's actually fun to use. The mechanical movement and tactile feel make it oddly satisfying, like a fidget toy for engineers. Now for the price, the official Metmo Grip will cost you around $148, and that's if you're lucky enough to catch it in stock. But if that number makes you wince, there are replica versions online for as low as $23. Of course, you won't get the same craftsmanship, but it's a budget-friendly alternative. So whether you're a tool enthusiast, a collector, or just someone who appreciates clever, functional design, the Metmo Grip might just be the wrench you never knew you needed. Unitec WH3, the forklift upgrade that transforms your workflow. Forklifts are everywhere. From dusty construction sites to buzzing warehouses, these machines are essential to getting the job done. In fact, Toyota alone made over $11 billion selling forklifts in just 1 year. So it's no surprise that upgrades for forklifts are a booming market too. Enter the Unitec WH3. This clever attachment doesn't just enhance your forklift, it redefines it. With the WH3, you're not limited to basic lifting anymore. You can literally turn your forklift into a mini crane. Here's how it works. The WH3 boom is available in several versions, supporting loads from 4,400 to 11,000 pounds. Need height? You've got it. It can reach between 10 and 13 feet, making it ideal for stacking, lifting, or handling larger materials. What makes this boom even more versatile is its adjustable length. The arm can be locked at different points, from a compact 3 feet all the way up to 13 feet. Whether you're working in tight warehouse aisles or open job sites, it adapts to your needs. And now for the best part, the price. You'd think something this functional would break the bank, but the WH3 starts at just $1,500. That's a small investment for a huge upgrade in productivity. So if you already own a forklift, this attachment is a no-brainer. It adds flexibility, efficiency, and crane-like capability, all without replacing your current equipment. Work smarter, lift better with the Unitec WH3. Unitec Connector, the smart, stress-free solution for reliable pipe connections. Whether you're a private builder working on a home project or a public utility engineer, the Unitec Connector could become your new favorite tool. Why? Because it simplifies one of the most critical parts of pipeline installation, joining two pipes of nearly any material or thickness. That's right. Whether you're dealing with plastic, concrete, or anything in between, the Unitec handles it all with ease. Its nominal diameter range goes from 12 inches all the way up to 94.5 inches, covering a wide variety of applications, from residential drainage to industrial sewage. What's even more impressive is its built-in flexibility. The Unitec allows a maximum bend angle of 11 degrees, which means even if the ground beneath shifts or settles, a common concern in construction, the joint won't crack, leak, or loosen. Now, let's talk materials. The connector is made from PVCU, or unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, a highly durable, chemical-resistant plastic. Pipes made from this material are trusted to transport hazardous chemicals, so you know it'll hold up under pressure, even when used with raw sewage or in chemically aggressive environments. It's strong, lightweight, easy to install, and designed to last. Think of it as the universal translator for pipes. It bridges different materials and diameters while maintaining a watertight, secure, and stress-tolerant connection. So whether you're digging up an old system for repairs or laying down a brand new one, Unitec keeps your connections clean, simple, and future-proof. Simple idea, powerful impact. That's Unitec. iTool code GRDXL, grounding made easy. Working with electrical systems? Then grounding rods are essential for safety. The iTool code GRDXL is a smart accessory designed to make grounding faster, easier, and safer, especially when traditional tools like sledgehammers aren't ideal. The GRDXL helps drive 4-inch or 1-inch grounding rods deep into the earth, typically up to 10 feet below the frost line, ensuring a solid and reliable connection to the ground. This tool really shines when you're working on sloped terrain or dealing with larger rods that are tough to manage manually. Instead of tiring yourself out with brute force, the GRDXL lets you skip the sledgehammer entirely. It comes with a hexagonal end receiver, offering a firm grip and smooth compatibility with your driving equipment. Plus, its design is officially patented, proving it's not just a clever idea, it's an engineered solution. Whether you're a professional electrician or a serious DIYer, the iTool code GRDXL turns what was once a frustrating task into a fast, clean, and efficient process. Because when it comes to grounding, every connection counts, and this tool helps you make it right. Zunder, the drywall taping game changer. Drywall professionals know the struggle of long taping sessions, juggling joint compound, tape, and tools while trying to keep things smooth and efficient. That's where the Zunder steps in, a revolutionary taping tool designed to combine 2 tedious steps into one seamless motion. Developed by pros for pros, it applies joint compound and embeds reinforcing tape at the same time, saving time, effort, and cleanup. At first glance, the Zunder looks like an oversized tape measure, but inside, it's a cleverly engineered device. It can hold 5.5 pounds of joint compound and up to 500 feet of tape, meaning fewer refills and more uninterrupted work. It works equally well on flat joints, inside corners, and awkward angles, delivering smooth, uniform finishes. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, the Zunder is lightweight but durable and designed for ambidextrous use, making it perfect for both left and right-handed users. Its smart design improves ergonomics and balance, reducing fatigue and boosting productivity over long workdays. Priced at $370, it's not a tool for casual hobbyists. It's an investment for professionals who value speed and precision. Users praise its build quality, handling, and results, with many saying they wish they'd bought one sooner. Some even call it the best taping tool they've ever used. In an industry where every minute counts, the Zunder helps finish jobs faster without sacrificing quality. It's no wonder drywallers everywhere are replacing traditional tools with this modern solution. And as one reviewer put it, once you go Zunder, there's no going back. So if you're still struggling with separate taping and mudding, it might be time to upgrade to a smarter, cleaner, and faster way to work. The Zunder just makes sense. Easy Tilt, the ultimate tool for grand piano handling. Moving a grand piano is no small task, quite literally. A professional grand piano can weigh up to 1,100 pounds, and shifting that kind of weight without proper equipment is a serious challenge. The Easy Tilt is a specialized tool built specifically to simplify, secure, and streamline the process of positioning, moving, or tuning grand pianos. This tool allows even a single person to handle the instrument with ease, minimizing the risk of damage or personal injury. Whether you're a piano technician, dealer, or showroom manager, the Easy Tilt helps you tilt the piano safely into working position for tuning, maintenance, or transport. No need for a crew or excessive force. One of its standout features is universal compatibility. The Easy Tilt includes 14 color-coded fixing screws to match a wide variety of piano models and brands. This makes it incredibly convenient for professionals who work with multiple piano types. Whether you're handling a Steinway, Kawai, or Yamaha, this tool has you covered. Despite its powerful function, the tool is surprisingly lightweight, designed to be held with one hand. This ergonomic build allows for precision control helping users avoid strain while ensuring the piano remains stable and protected. The Easy Tilt is a practical investment for anyone in the piano business. It reduces physical labor, prevents costly mistakes, and increases operational efficiency. With piano tuning and maintenance being delicate and expensive tasks, having the right tool to maneuver the instrument safely is crucial. In short, the Easy Tilt isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for the piano industry. It makes a physically demanding task safer, faster, and more professional. If you deal with grand pianos regularly, this is one tool you'll wish you had sooner. Pulling electrical cables on construction or renovation sites is no small task. Traditionally, it requires two workers, one feeding the cable, the other guiding it through tight spaces. But the Rhino Cable pulling probe changes the game entirely, making it a one-person job with faster, safer, and more efficient results. Here's how it works. You simply load the cable, press a button, and let the device do the hard part. No more tugging, no more squeezing into cramped areas. The Rhino probe feeds the cable automatically up to 49 feet, while the operator is free to monitor and make adjustments. Even better, the system comes with a remote control, so you can manage everything from a distance. It's powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 4 hours, giving you plenty of time to complete most jobs without needing a recharge. And unlike older manual systems, this probe doesn't require constant handling. That means less strain on your back and arms and much less downtime. Priced at around $1,264, the Rhino probe may seem like a high-ticket item, but for electricians, contractors, or even serious DIYers, it's a smart investment. You're not just saving time, you're reducing labor costs and improving safety on site. In fact, many users report completing tasks in half the time with better results. Whether you're wiring an office building, a home, or any complex layout, the Rhino Cable pulling probe is the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you ever worked without it. Efficiency, control, and single operator freedom, all in one device. The Rhino isn't just a pulling tool, it's a productivity powerhouse. PDR Baton. The future of car dent repair is here, and it doesn't require a drop of paint. Despite all the advancements in automotive tech, drivers everywhere still face one unavoidable truth: accidents happen. With over 1 billion cars on the planet, even the most careful driver can't avoid every bump or ding. That's where PDR technology steps in. Short for paintless dent removal, PDR offers a faster, cleaner, and more efficient way to restore vehicles after minor damage. Now, meet the PDR Baton, an advanced induction-based tool designed to eliminate small dents without sanding, filling, or repainting. Think of it as the smart wand for car bodies. Traditional PDR tools, hooks, rods, and glue tabs, require some skill and a bit of patience. But the PDR Baton goes a step further. It uses electromagnetic induction to heat the metal just enough to allow dents to pop back into place. No chemicals, no paint, no mess. Sounds too good to be true? There is a catch. While effective, the PDR Baton isn't recommended for white cars. The heat can cause the paint to turn yellow, a small trade-off for such a high-tech solution. Still, for most vehicles, it's a game changer. It drastically reduces repair time, saves on materials, and helps preserve the original factory finish of your car. Perfect for mechanics, detailing pros, or even DIYers with a steady hand and a bit of know-how. So next time you see a mysterious dent on your door panel, don't panic. Pick up a PDR Baton and give that dent a smooth exit. ENO Double Nest Hammock, your anywhere adventure lounger. Looking for the perfect way to relax outdoors, whether deep in the woods or just in your own backyard? The ENO Double Nest Hammock is the ultimate companion for adventure, comfort, and convenience, all in one. Built for both solo chillers and close companions, this spacious hammock comfortably fits 1 or 2 people. Made from durable yet super soft free-wave nylon, it feels smooth against your skin while withstanding the elements. Whether you're camping, hiking, backpacking, or just catching some backyard sun, the Double Nest delivers reliable comfort wherever you hang it. Its smart, integrated stuff sack compresses the hammock down to the size of a grapefruit, making it easy to stash in your bag or strap to your gear. Weighing just over a pound, it won't weigh you down on long treks. Setting up is quick and stress-free. The triple-stitched seams add serious strength, and high-quality aluminum carabiners ensure your hammock stays securely anchored. Just find 2 trees or posts and you're ready to float. From stargazing in the wilderness to napping between 2 palm trees, the ENO Double Nest adapts to your vibe. It's more than just a hammock, it's your portable retreat. With prices ranging between $50 and $80, depending on the style and retailer, it's an affordable luxury you'll want to take everywhere. Unplug, hang out, breathe deep. The ENO Double Nest Hammock turns every outdoor moment into pure relaxation.